How do I replace a damaged car battery terminal? Replacing a damaged car battery terminal is a relatively straightforward process. Here are the steps to replace a car battery terminal. Tools and materials needed. New battery terminal compatible with your car's battery. Wrench or socket set. Wire brush or sandpaper. Safety glasses and gloves. Steps. Safety precautions. Before you begin, ensure your vehicle is turned off and the key is removed from the ignition. Put on safety glasses and gloves to protect your eyes and hands from any potential battery acid or corrosion. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery in your vehicle and identify the negative and positive terminals. The negative terminal is usually marked with a minus sign, and the positive terminal is marked with a plus sign. Use a wrench or socket set to loosen and remove the bolts or nuts securing the damaged terminal connectors to the battery posts. Start with the negative terminal to reduce the risk of accidental electrical sparks. Once the negative terminal is disconnected, move on to the positive terminal. Remove the damaged terminal. Carefully remove the damaged battery terminal from the battery post. If it's stuck due to corrosion, you may need to gently pry it off or use a battery terminal puller. Clean the battery posts. Use a wire brush or sandpaper to clean any corrosion or debris from the battery posts. Make sure the posts are clean and shiny before installing the new terminal. Install the new terminal. Slide the new battery terminal over the cleaned battery post. Ensure it fits snugly and securely. Reconnect the positive terminal first and then the negative terminal. Tighten the bolts or nuts securely but avoid over-tightening, as it can damage the terminals or posts. Inspect and test. Double-check that the battery terminals are securely attached and that there is no movement or play. Test the vehicle to ensure it starts and runs properly. If there are any issues, recheck the terminal connections and make sure they are tight. Apply terminal protector optional. To prevent future corrosion, you can apply a battery terminal protector or anti-corrosion spray to the terminals. Dispose of the old terminal. Safely dispose of the old or damaged battery terminal. Check the battery cables. While you're working on the terminals, inspect the battery cables for any damage or corrosion. Replace them if necessary. Replacing a damaged car battery terminal is a relatively simple task that can be done with basic tools and precautions. However, if you're uncomfortable with the process or if your vehicle has specific electrical components that may be affected, it's advisable to consult a professional mechanic or technician for assistance.